Here's how you can create your very own social hub on your Socialvore website. So what this is it's a single, customizable page containing multiple links to various social media profiles, websites, other pages, or it even integrates directly with your existing Socialvore features. So to add this new page, what you can do is under Website and Pages, click the New Page button, scroll down, and add the Social Hub page. Then you'll be prompted to put in a title, and when you hit OK, it will show up on the bottom of your existing pages here. So as we can see, we have a Social Hub page. Before we customize it, you might want to set it on private or public, depending on what you want to use this page for. So if it's private, customers can still access it using the link here, but if it's on public, then it will show up in the navigation bar. So public, it'll show up here, private, it won't show up here, but either way, it's still accessible. When we want to go and customize the page, we can click this button and it will take us into our Social Hub page. So here, I already have an example set up of what yours could look like, and you can make this all happen by clicking on the Social Hub section, which is where you'll be able to see all of the section settings and then all of the different blocks that you can add. So to start, go through the settings and determine how you want this whole thing in general to look, and all the design settings such as the button colors and the text colors will match your existing website, and you can change that in your design settings here, just like any other page. So for the section settings, you can adjust the padding, you can hide the whole website interface or display it as a regular page, change all the colors, add your logo, all that good stuff. And then when you come down and add a block, what you can see is you will have lots of different options for what you actually want to display here. So for example, we have the title, which shows up first, and then we have this directions button, and whichever order you have things organized in on the left is how they will appear on the right, as you can see there. So go through, check out all the different sections, and add whichever ones that you want to have displayed on your site. So for example, if we want to add a block and say we want to add a gift card block, we can click that button, and then what this button will do that appears here is that it'll automatically work with your existing Socialvore gift cards. So it will take you right to your gift cards page if you have one already. It's the same thing for reservations. If you have reservations set up, it'll take them to a reservation prompt. And for the directions, you don't need to put in your address again, since your Socialvore sites already knows where your restaurant is located, and it will help guide the customers there. So go through, check out all the blocks, create whatever you like, and remember to hit save. And again, since this is especially important, you can access this website by sharing this link. You can also change the link by clicking on these three dots here and editing the URL path. So what this will be is it'll be your usual website address and then /socialhub. That's the default, but you can change it to whatever you like, share it to guests on your social media, or even put it on a QR code where they can access this. And that's everything for Socialvore's new Social Hub feature.